It's a cars on the beats loading.
Kedihem genye giye oka ume Omama mazura rume
Kedihem gemele chineke Uduguna
Nisime
Obuye kako Mmesoma chineke Amuhama kaijira Eloge chineke mo Abotito kaijira Eloge
Wana yeze Imoni Ayeyeyeye
Agamako ikechukwu mere n'ụwa ịhụnanya Chineke karịsịa soro m too Chukwu mgbe niile mkpọgụrụ gị ịnaza m edela anya n'azụ ime mkpa m ka m kpọgụrụ
O Chineke
onye dịka gị ochie
My very good friend, Chief Onowu na Madinna. I see how my road here, my body be Igbo, Nana Ghana, Nana Berasika and Aquado, okay. A strong member of the throne of Obiejoku. I know Sogadrianama, Oga Rupuloza, Oga Mutakwakuru, I know see how many don't know why the medicinal there, they know which bombado. Briefly, can you tell us really who you are and what is really happening here today?
Wow, Chief Anekwe Obiora, Onowu Ndegbo. I am from Okozo, Anambra State, precisely. And here is my house, and I celebrated a newborn baby today, and at the same time dedicate this house to the hand of God. Thank you.
Chief, obviously this is a double blessing, and it comes double. My view, as you can see.